Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install DBeaver latest version on Zorin OS 18.1. Then we will connect MySQL and PostgreSQL server from the DBeaver. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Zorin OS, that is Brave browser. Then go to DBeaver official website, it is dbeaver.io. Then see here we have the two versions, Community and Pro. Community is the open source, Pro is the commercial version. Then click on download, then select download deb. See the latest release is 26.0.3. Select the path and click on save to download. See download started and its size is about 119 megabytes. See download completed. Now open terminal. Go to download, cd downloads, ls. Now install this package sudo dpkg-i star.deb or just give DBeaver. Then press the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user. See, we have successfully installed DBeaver. Search for DB. See here we have the DBeaver CE. CE means Community Edition. Click on it to open. I don't want to create databases, no. Then click on database and select new database connection, or just click on this plugin button. Then select MySQL because MySQL is installed on this one. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL or PostgreSQL on Zorin OS. Click on next. Then localhost is fine because MySQL is installed on this one. If it is installed on some other, then provide that host name. Port number 33006. I have that database bank. Use the root. Then provide the password of this root account. Then click on text connection. Download for driver files. See successfully connected to MySQL server 8.0.46. Click on OK. Click on finish. Want to run queries. Expand databases. Expand connection. Expand databases. Right click on database. SQL editor. Then open SQL console. Now you can run the queries. The same if you want to connect any other database. Again go to new database connection. You can select and you can provide the connection information. Okay, so we have successfully installed ls. This file is not required anymore, so I am removing it to clear the space. rm db, press that tab, ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install DBeaver latest version 26 on Zorin OS 18.1. Then we have seen how to connect MySQL from the DBeaver. Okay, for more database or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.